Are you struggling with digestion or bloating? Let's dive into 3 essential tips to improve your gut health. Tip 1. Load up on fiber. Incorporate high-fiber foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Fiber is a powerhouse for feeding good gut bacteria and keeping your digestion smooth. Tip 2. Embrace fermented foods. Think yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, or kefir. These are packed with probiotics, your gut's best friends for balancing the microbiome. Tip 3. Stay hydrated. Water isn't just refreshing, it's essential for breaking down food and keeping everything moving in your digestive system. Bonus tip. Avoid processed foods and manage stress. They can throw your gut out of whack. We hope you'll like and share this video and consider subscribing to this channel. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching.